Hi, here's Neha from thebeautymadness.com, and in this video I'll show you 3 powerful remedies and tips that will help you lose weight. And so if you are struggling to lose weight and you desperately want to lose weight, then these remedies will help you. So if you follow these remedies for about a month, you will lose more than 9 to 10 kg. So let's get started with the first remedy. So the first remedy that I'm going to share with you is cumin weight loss drink. So how to prepare this drink? So for that you require is cumin seeds. So I'm using the organic cumin seeds. It doesn't matter if you don't have organic, you can use the normal cumin seeds. So I have prepared this cumin water. So how I prepared is just add around 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds to 1.5 glass of water and bring it to a boil. Let it boil on a low flame for about 5 minutes, and then filter it, and then here is the warm water. So here is this cumin water which I have already prepared it. So now I'll add around that is around 2 teaspoons of honey, and then lemon. So this is around slice of lemon. Let's take out the juice. Now mix it properly. Once it is ready, what you have to do is drink this cumin, lemon and honey water every morning on an empty stomach to lose weight. So make sure it is warm, not hot. So let me share you the advantage of using this if you're drinking this cumin water. So cumin, they are a rich source of dietary fiber that suppress your appetite and controls your cravings for food. And lemon is a rich source of antioxidants, and it is loaded with vitamin C that boosts your immunity and aids in weight loss. And honey gives you an instant energy and also improves your immunity. And so drink this water for up to 1 month if you really want to lose about 10 kgs in a month. So now we'll move on to the second remedy. So as you can see, the second remedy here is this is curry leaves. So what you have to do is wash this curry leaves properly and then eat around 7 to 8 curry leaves every morning. So to help in the reduction of weight, actually curry leaves, it helps in the reduction of cholesterol. For those who are obese and overweight, they have problems losing weight, so curry leaves will help. It eliminates bad cholesterol and fats from your body and helps in weight loss. So eat this curry leaves and every morning, and then drink a glass of warm water after eating this curry leaves. So now let's move on to the third remedy. Now moving on to the third remedy. The third remedy for that you require is, this is a cup of warm water, and I'll be using apple cider vinegar and then honey. So just mix around. Just require only 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and then 1 teaspoon of honey. So mix it well. This apple cider vinegar drink twice in a day, that is once before having your lunch, that is 30 minutes before having a lunch, and then once in the evening to lose weight. Cider vinegar actually it helps in the digestion of proteins. It breaks down fat cells and remove any unwanted toxins from your body, and it speeds up your metabolism and thus aids in weight loss. Apart from following these remedies, let me share with you some other tips that will help you lose weight fast. So the first tip is avoid oily, sugary foods or any artificial sweeteners or foods that are high in starch because they contribute to fat. And the second tip is have foods like cabbage, cauliflower, green beans, and broccoli and bottle gourd. They are low calorie foods that helps in weight loss. And the third tip is include more proteins to your diet and foods that are and also include foods that are rich in fiber like oats, muesli. You can have it for breakfast. And consume dairy foods like curd and low fat milk and soya milk. And whenever you feel thirsty, drink a glass of warm water. So make sure you drink at least 5 to 6 liters of water. And one of the most important tip is you have to exercise daily for at least 15 minutes. You can do yoga or you can do some cardio or you can go for a walk, but it is necessary that you must exercise for 15 minutes to help you lose weight. So follow these remedies and tips to get that slim, toned and slim, trim and toned body. So if you follow these remedies for up to a month, you will definitely lose more than 10 kg. So these were the remedies and tips to lose weight. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such videos hit the subscribe button. And if you want to find more information on weight loss tips, natural remedies or beauty tips, you can visit my site www.thebeautymadness.com, and this link you can find below my video. So thanks, take care, bye, and see you until the next video.